Hello everyone, this is Professor Vipul and let's see what we have to do in the Git collaboration activity. First of all, you have to go to the website gitlab.com/spitfe/cse/blog articles. Next, you have to go to clone and then you can clone using HTTPS. You just need to copy this. Now you need to open a folder on your computer and this is where this particular repository will be downloaded. So I have this SPIT folder here. I just type cmd to open up command prompt here and then I can do a simple git clone and the link that I just copied. Once I do that, I can see that this particular repository has been successfully downloaded. The next step is to open it up in a text editor. I'll use VS Code here. Let's see. So this is what we have. I'll open it up in VS Code. Go to File, go to Open Folder and open up the repository that you just added. Now you can see that we have this readme.md file and this is something that we added in class. We also have our image here. The next step would be to start adding blog articles. How will we do that? For that, what I can do here is, first of all, I will not directly alter the main branch. Currently I'm on the main branch, as you can see here. I'll create a new branch. I'll call it dev. And this is something that you all have to use. Now you don't need to create branches anymore because I have created. I'll go to this source control and I'll publish this branch. After publishing this branch, this dev branch should now be available. So when you clone the repository, you have to remember to switch to the dev branch. After that, you can go to your particular directory. I'll create a simple articles directory here. And then within this, I will start adding my article. Now let's do one thing. We'll have a naming convention. So I'll write my article like this. So I'll add the article title. So for instance, my article is Challenges in Cloud Computing .md. But other than that, I also need to add my name so that I can readily see who has added the article. You may also add your SPIT pin. Now that we are in this particular new file that we created, we can add the article. I have that article ready. It's a part of my notes and it's in MD. Now we can see that this article has been added. We can preview it and this is just fine. What I'll do is I'll now commit this particular article. So I'll go to this source control. I'll write my message here and the message should be in imperative language. So I'll not say added articles. I will say add article. but it would be better to specify which article I added. So I'll try to shorten the title. I'll say Challenges and Risks in Cloud Computing. And now I can do a git add. I can stage all the changes. I have to press this plus button and then I can commit. So committing means that I feel that these changes are final. Now once I commit, I can click on this sync changes, and this sync changes will do the push. And that's how we have added an article to our repository. Let's verify that. You can switch to the branch, that is the dev branch now available. And you can see this article's Challenges in Cloud Computing. I can just click on it and see it is readable. That's how everyone has to submit their articles. I'll make a small change here. What I'll do is I'll add my name as well to this particular article. So I'll say author and this can be in italics. Now that I've made a change, you can see that this change is reflected in the source control tab. All I have to do is I have to just simply stage this change and name my commit. And I can push it again. So before that I have to commit it, and then again I can sync changes. Done. Let's check it. You can see my changes are now reflecting. And that's how, friends, it's done. That's how you have to contribute your articles. Thank you.